the best spooky idea. Okay, magic clay. Red, white, yellow, and blue. Time to squish them. It's a big brown clay now, but I need it flattened, like this. The bucket gets a new coat. Cool, right? Can you guess what it is? It's got ears, eyes, a nose, and a mouth. And it's cute, but a bit naughty sometimes. Shiny yellow eyes, pink nose, mouth, and pink glittery ears. Look, Kitty, you just got a Halloween twin. I want more Kitty Halloween stuff. This plate could turn into something amazing. What are these for? Snip, snip. Now red and blue together makes purple. Here come the ears. Let's spread this purple magic. Dab, dab, dab. Don't miss any spot. Gotta make it fancier with sparkles. It's spooky pretty, right? Wait, it needs something to hold. Perfect. Ta-da! A Halloween kitty mask. Don't worry, Kitty. I made you one too. Yikes! Kitty spilled the paint. Or maybe I can just swipe it. 1, 2, 3 swipes. I'm getting you siblings, Kitty. A funny one. A pirate one and a unicorn one. Now I'm making something sneaky. A heart, some ears, and a few secret pieces. Good guess. It's a black kitty cat. Fold for a body. A spring for the neck. And twist for a tail. Hey, Kitty, this cat friend is ready to play. 1 bucket, 1 mask, 1 paper kitty. All done. All right, Kitty, it's trick-or-treat time. Bye now.